Hi guys, today I want to show you my McLaren 650S Can-Am series. This was to tribute to the Can-Am's race series in the 1967 to 71, I believe. They won the championships, and so they produced only 50 in celebration of that era. And let's start it up. Oh yeah. Hello mama. First things first, you gotta warm up the tires. Right now it's super smooth because everything is in auto. We'll turn on air package on sport and suspension on sport. Now you're gonna see a big difference. Jesus. I have to be honest, it's gonna be hard to let go of this car.